Okay, guys, today for this video, we are going to be doing the Find the Cat challenge. Okay, so my sis, she has hidden a cat somewhere in this house. She said it's not downstairs, so we're going to look upstairs and we're going to see if we can find her. First, we're going to check in all the drawers. She's not in the drawers. Okay, now we're going to check into the recording room. Can you see her? Oh, my pen. My sister said she left clues somewhere, so... Is she there? Okay, now we're gonna check my room. This is also one of my recording rooms. I have a fish tank in here, as you can see. Okay, so we're gonna check this door first. Is she? No, she can't be in these. Okay, so apparently she had a secret hideout. So I'm not sure if she's gonna be underneath my bed or in here. Comment down below, where do you think she's gonna be? I'll give you 5 seconds. In fact, Alexa will give you 5 seconds. Alexa, count to 5 seconds. Alexa, count to 5 seconds.
Sorry, I don't know that one.
Alexa, set a timer for 5 seconds.
5 seconds, starting now.
5, 4, 3, 2. She's quick. Okay, if you guys have to comment down below, then either say under the bed or in the wardrobe. Alexa, stop. Okay, so now we are going to check in the wardrobe first, because this looks like the most secret hideout-y spot. Okay. Sophie! And we found her! Oh, you can't see. Look, there she is. She's in my wardrobe. Say hi to the camera. Okay, guys, that's it for this video, but I will make another video through the half term. We are going to make a Halloween special, and I hope you guys are pumped for that. But please, first we're going to give you a 10-second subscribe challenge. Okay, Alexa, set a challenge. No, I said it wrong. Guys, I'm not good with Alexa. I'm not good with technology. Alexa, set a timer for 10 seconds. So you guys,
10 seconds.
so you need, so you guys need to subscribe now. You need to go onto the home, whatever, and you need to subscribe to my channel. That's time. Okay, Alexa, stop. So if you like this video, then please turn on the notifications, because we are going to do lots of stuff through the half term. But anyway, guys, bye!